we are starting with the statistics. So first we are doing how to make a frequency table. We are tallying the data given in the question, and according to that we are making the frequency table. The frequency is distributed, or the frequency distribution of individual entries from the given data. We are doing it first. Then we are dividing the data into classes. That is the next topic, and we are explaining the need of grouping into classes and make the frequency table. Using the frequency table, we are drawing the histogram. There are 40 children in a class 8A of the school. In a health club program, their blood groups are identified and listed as below. So 40 students' blood group is listed below. How many children have O negative blood? How many B negative? How many O positive? Which blood type do the most number of children have? Which type do the least number of children have? So these questions answers you have to find out. So first of all, you have to tabulate this. If you count this each blood group and find out the how many numbers, it should be difficult. So instead of that, we can tally this blood groups numbers. Okay. So first you have to draw a tabulation column. Blood group we are writing in the first column. Second number is tally, and the total number we are writing here. So how we can do? You can see this one. First you have to cross each number positive. That O positive you have to mark here 1. O positive again. Any side you can do it. You have to strike off this and you have to mark here A plus 1. O negative. In O negative column you have to keep it as 1. Then B positive, AB positive. Strike off this one and mark there. E negative, B positive. So next you have to mark again 1. AB negative, AB negative, O positive. Now O positive become 3 now. A positive, B positive, A positive, O positive. O positive become 4 now. Then next 5. For fifth we are not drawing 1 there. Instead of that we are crossing that. This meaning of this one is the number is 5. AB positive, O positive. Again you have to write 1 there. A positive, A positive. So now it is 4. Next it is 5. B positive, O positive, AB positive, AB positive, O positive, O positive, A positive 1. B positive. Now it is 5. Again B positive. Draw the next number. AB negative, B negative, O positive. Now it is 5 again. So 10 will be there now. O positive, B positive, O positive, B negative, AB positive. AB positive is 5 now. A positive, O positive, O positive again, A positive. Okay. So like this you have to tally it. Strike up the group and mark here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and next one you have to cross it. That is the tally. This number is 5 now. So 5 plus 3, it is 8. This 5 plus 2, 7. This is 5. This is 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 3, 2, 1. You can see the tabulation column. A positive, how many numbers? 8. B positive, 7. AB positive, 5. O positive, 14. B positive, B negative, 3. AB negative, 2. O negative, 1. So you can count like this. And using this value, you have to find the answer of this. How many children have O negative blood group? O negative, how many are there? O negative, only 1. How many have B negative? B negative, 3. How many have O positive? 14. Which blood type do the most number of children have? Which one? It is O positive because 14 numbers. Which type do the least number of children have? Which is the least one? 1. That is O negative. So easily you can write the answers. So strike off each one and tally here. Okay, if the number comes 4 and the next one is 5, you have to cross it. Again you have to start from first. The scores children in a class got in a test are listed below. The mark of students in a class is listed below. You have to you have to fill these questions and draw the tabular column also. So first you have to draw a tabulation column like this: score, tally and number. Score is written here. Strike up the score and tally here and count the numbers. First you have to write the numbers in order. The least number is 2 here. So and the top number is 10. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The number is not there. Keep it as blank. So first striking of 8. Draw the line. 7, 6. Strike off, then only write down here. 3, 8, 8, 7, 7, 6, 7, 9, 7. So now it is 4. Okay, next is 5. Next is 6, 8, 7, 2, 6, 7 again, 10, 6, now it is 5, okay, 7, 3, 9, 5, 4, 5, 4, 4, 4, 5, 8, 8 is 5 now, 10, 8, 8, again we are starting 1, 2, 3, 9, 7, 7, so now it is 5, 6, 8, 8, 7, 4, 4 is 5 now, 5, 9, 8. Then you can count the numbers. Here 1, 3 become 2, here it is 5, 4, 5 plus 1, 6, 5 plus 5 plus 1, so it is 11, 5 plus 5, 10, 4 and 2. So count the numbers. You can find out the answer. What is the score got by most number of children? Which is the score got for most number of children? That is 11. So the number is, most number is 7. Okay, 7 got 11. Okay. Then how many children got 8 or more? 8 or more. 8 and more. So these three together. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 students. How many got less than 8? Less than 8 means these numbers you have to count it. 11 plus 6, 17, 21, 26, 28, 29. Then how many children got 10? How many of them got 10? 2 numbers, 2 in number. Okay, that number you to write down. Here the score we wrote. Here these are the numbers. You can write the total also here. The total you have to count it and write down. Here it is 45. So 45 children's mark is given, and we tally it according to the mark and count the numbers. Okay, and we wrote the answer. This table shows how many times each score occurs. Okay, such as 2. Okay, how many times? 1 time. 3, 2 times. Okay, 4, 5 times, like that. Okay, how many times each score is occurred, that should be shown in this table. And the number of occurrence in generally called frequency. So this is the frequency. This instead of number you can write frequency also. How many times this score is occurs, that is called the frequency. So you can write score, tally and frequency. And this table is called frequency table also. Okay, remember that one. The number of members in 50 household of a village are listed below. Okay, the members in the houses are listed below. Make a frequency table and answer the. So how many household have just 2 members? How many household have 4 or less? How many household has 10 or more? Household of what size occurs the most? So these questions you have to fill it. So this is the frequency given. You have to make a frequency table now. So first you have to write the numbers from the least number to the topmost number. You have to fill it. So 2 to 13 I wrote here. Then you have to write tally and number of household. Instead of number of household you can write frequency also. Okay, if you don't know the names, you cannot write, you can write frequency also. Instead of members you can write score. Okay, score, tally, frequency, that is general. If you need you can write like this also, number of members, tally, number of household. Okay, then we will start the tallying. That's 8, mark 8 there. 6, 9, 4, 4 again, 2. Before that, remember this one, you have to write from the lowest number to the highest. Okay, from this frequencies, from the lowest to highest you should write down. And if any number is not there in the list, you can give it as blank. Next, 6, 5, 4, 3, 7, 3, 3, 2, 3 again, 7, 6, 3. So now 3 become 5 now. 2, 5, 5 again, 13, that is the last. 9, 9 again, 7, 4, 4 again. So now it is 5, 5, 4, 3, 3, 7, 2, 3, 3, 10, 8, 6, 6 again. Now it is 5, 4, 2. Okay. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Then next 5 is you have to close it. 4, 5, 4, 3, 8, 7, 5, 6, 3. Okay. Now the tally is over. Then you have to count it, the numbers. 2. How many times the frequency is there? 5 times. 10. 3. 5 plus 5 plus 1. So it is 11. 5 plus 4, 9. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 5. 3. 3. 1. 11 is not there. 12 is also not there. 0, 0. 13 is 1. So now you got the frequency table, and using this you have to fill the questions. How many households have just 2 members? Which are the 2 members? 5. Then how many households have 4 or less? 4 or less, these 3. So 9 plus 11 plus 5. 9 plus 11 plus 5. 20, 25. Next, how many households have 10 or more? 10 or more means from here only 2. Okay, 1 plus 1, 2. Household of what size occurs the most? Which is the most number? In that, how many numbers is the most? 11 is the most one. So we can write which is that household? 3. The number you should write down. Okay. So which is the household having most number? So most number comes at 11 here, that is 3. So like this you have to fill the answers. There are 44 children in a class 8B. The list shows how far they come from in kilometers. So the students, they are coming far away from the school. How much kilometers away from the school? That should be mentioned here. There should be 44 students. That list is given here. So first you have to make a frequency table. So for that you should mark like this. Instead of score we can write kilometer. Okay, tally, then number of students. In each kilometers number of students you have to calculate. Instead of kilometer you can write score. Instead of number of students you can write frequency also. For making the frequency table, first you have to find out which is the lowest number from this. In this lowest number is 1. Okay, and the highest number is 14. So 1 to 14 you have to write down here. So draw the frequency table with the kilometer, tally and number of students. Write the distance from least number to most number, okay, top most number. So we have to count it. 6, tally it. 5, 11, 9, 4, 2, 7, 8, 12, 6, 7, 7 again, 3, 6, 1, 6, 9, 12, 4, 5, 9, 7, 3, 1, 1 again, 2, 3, 9, 5, so it is 4 now, 14, 2 again, 4, 9, 4, 6 again, 4, 5, 7, 3. Then you have to count the tally. While tallying, here it is 3, 5, 4, 5, 6, 5, 1, 5, 10 is not having 1, 2, 14 is 1 again. Here also 0. So So first you have to mark the frequencies. First question, how many children are from exactly 1 kilometer away? So 1 kilometer, how many are there? 3. So I can write 3 here. How many are from more than 5 kilometers? So more than 5 means you have to count these numbers. 6 plus 5, 11, 11, 12, 17, 18, 20, 21. So the answer is 21. Then how many are from between 5 kilometer and 10 kilometer? Between 5 and 10. Between 5 and 10. How many are there? So between 5 and 10 means 5 and 10 together. Okay. So 6 plus 5, 6 plus 6, 12, 17, 18, 23. So 23 is the answer. Next, how many are from more than 10 kilometers? More than 10 kilometers, you have to count like this: 1, 3, 4. So 4 students are coming from more than 10 kilometers. So like this you have to find out. In between means that number should be included, and more than means above the number. 5 above means 6 onwards you have to count it. The scores of 35 children in the test is given below. These are the numbers. Then make a frequency table and answer the questions. How many children scored 20? How many children got score between 10 and 20? How many scored less than 10? What is the score most number of children got? So first you have to make a frequency table. So make a frequency table like this: score, tally and number of students, and write the scores from the least number to, this is the least number, to the top number, that is 20. So 10 to 20 you have to write the scores. Then you have to tally each one. Each number should be tallied and find out the number of students and find the each questions. Do it as a homework. In page number 201, third question. Okay, you can do it.